can see if we get this all set up. Apologies for that. Little mini interruption there. Little mini interruption. All right. Let's see here. Okay. It's that. That's why. I knew it. All right. I knew it. Okay. All good. All right. Let's see here. Let's double check. I figured as much. Remind me later. Okay. All right. We're back on the vertical. What happened was there's this platform over here that has to do with the clock. Hey, how's it going, Kyle? Good afternoon. Good to see you. Welcome on in. You're over here in the horizontal stream. We had to restart the vertical stream because there's a platform that has to do with a clock. If you've heard about this clock platform, and they don't like it when you post educational content, apparently. Apparently, when you post educational content, they like to ban you. That's what they like to do. That's their thing they like to do, and then it messed up the stream. So I tell you what, we're not going to go over there anymore. That's what we're going to do. We're just not going to post over there anymore. It's there. I guess it's the loss of the human race. It's the loss of the human race. I don't know. All right, let's see if we can get that back over here. All right, so let's get rid of some of these prints. We don't need that. We'll just say pass. We're looking good there. We can get rid of these things. Get rid of that. Okay. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Welcome back in. So we had a little crash there. I apologize for that. Just a little mini, disruption there. So back now. All right. Let's see what else we can do. Also, it would be great if we could add some music. So there was a Torva. Torva added some. Also, Kyle, you created music. You created some music files. So maybe we can add some of that sound in there as well. Using a music, which is unexpected. I didn't know you could do this. It's pretty neat. There's this make music. So Kyle, if you're still here, I was looking through this and it's neat. You can see all these different notes, which are just frequencies. And then you can generate the frequencies. I know, Eddie Legendary, 20 more minutes. Only 20 more minutes, you guys. We've got some time. So we're good. We're good to go. We have a little bit of time here. All right. So let's see what else we can get going here. This is really neat. There's like a melody. There's a pattern. The AI wrote this. Isn't that neat? The AI wrote this. It's a music generator. Did you know that was possible? I mean, I kind of realized, Kyle, I had no clue Python code to do that either. I haven't even really looked into it. It's really neat. Kyle, it's really neat. So there's a bunch of notes there that are defined. And then you can synthesize a note by taking those frequencies, all these frequencies that are defined here that are the notes themselves. And you can then create, it looks like there is a sort of, looks like a few moments, 200 milliseconds? They're doing about a 200 millisecond or something, and they're multiplying the frequency over a sine wave, so that way it's not like a common, it has like some, a nice smoothness to it. So it's really neat that they're doing it like that. And then you compile the melody, and then you have a whole bunch of different melodies here to create a whole bunch of different songs. Isn't that neat? I thought that was really neat. So you got a whole bunch, 3 different songs here. That's pretty neat. Torva, you here? All right. So if Torva's here, we are going to also be adding in Torva's level music, which was also AI generated. AI is everywhere. What is your feeling on using Python as very large programs? Is it too slow using much processing power? Willie, good question. So Python is actually perfectly fine. And the idea behind using it for a very large project is actually also fine. It depends. So like if you're having, thank you for the likes, you guys, appreciate it. See a little heart icons floating up there. Is that, who's that, Eddie or Kyle? I can't tell. Great to have everyone back. The live pause there for a second. We had a little disruption for the platform that it starts with a clock. No, it's not Rust. Isn't it? I know it's not Rust. It's all Python. And you want to use Rust though if it's going to be for a program that is meant for high concurrency and high scale. If you need to use a lot of CPU and a lot of resources, you're better off using like C, C++, Rust, right? Go to Rust if you can. Choose Rust over all of them. That's the way to go. Python is great for all the other cases though. Work perfectly fine with Python. Can I try using an auto clicker? Yeah, you can. On the heart. You that would be great. Why not? Just click. You can make an auto clicker. You can absolutely do that. So what you do is we've got Jonathan. Hey, Jonathan Glenn, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. And also for the jewels. Hey, you sent some jewels over. Hey, Jonathan, thank you again. Hey, Good to see you. Good to see you, Jonathan. I noticed your analytics. I don't know if this is the most effective time to stream. Oh, right. Yeah, I don't know. Like the time of day, right? You might be right. The time of day is important. Thank you for the likes, you guys. It depends, right? It's usually maybe earlier, like later in the day. It's a little more, little fewer. So earlier in the day is great. Earlier in the day is great. So let's see here. What can we do? I want to. No problem, Jonathan. Thank you again. Appreciate it. All right, so let's pop back over here. So this was neat. It was really neat to take a look at this music generator. I thought it was neat. So you've been thinking of Python for rapid prototyping? Yes, you got it. Rapid prototyping. Then moving to something else for production. There you go. I like that workflow because Python is easy to get something going. You're right, it is. Kyle, you're totally right. That's what I use it for too. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. It has a cooldown like by millisecond, so you can spam. Oh, got it. So you can't, a little bit of spam, just a smidge. I will hit another. Hey, all right. Thank you. I appreciate it. Hey, there we go. Another 2 joules, 100 for 2 joules. Jonathan, thank you. Thank you, Jonathan. Appreciate it. It's a good compliment. Basically what you're doing is you're complimenting it, which is great. All right, let's pop back in order. So we've got our occupancy here. Let's see. So we've got 0, and then it's going to bump up. So what I want to do is see how high we can get it. Oh, also, we don't want to sleep 5 seconds. We want to sleep 0.00. Let's do something like that. How about this? We don't sleep. Yeah, we'll sleep a little bit. We'll sleep just a smidgen because we don't want to like spin lock the CPU. So we don't want to. Not just kidding. It lag my phone out like a lot. Does it? Oh yeah, it could. It totally could if you got a clicker going there. If you've got some sort of clicker that does it, or if you just try to tap really fast. Thank you for the hearts. I appreciate it though. That's really awesome. And thank you for the jewels, Jonathan. I appreciate it. I'm thinking about 39500. What is that? 39,500? What do you mean with that number? That's a big number. What are you doing that number? That's a big number. All right, so we don't deadlock the thread. We want to sleep just a smidgen there. And then we try on the network IO. If we get occupancy data, we will update the value and then we'll pass it into our queue. And the queue will then be available in the outbound queue here, which then we can grab the occupancy on the main thread and then pull it up into the UI. And then this gives us the ability to track the player occupancy. That's how that works, you guys. Have it on 1 click per millisecond. You can do that? I didn't know you could do that. Gems. Oh, that's a lot of gems. Hey, another 2 joules. Thank you, Jonathan. Appreciate it. We also got Kyle Romo. Kyle Romo, thank you for your subscription. Welcome on in. AI will take over. We're cooked. I know, right? Tony. Whoa. We got some more. We got some more jewels from Jonathan, you guys. Tony Manto. AI is taking over a lot of things, isn't it? You're absolutely right. It absolutely is. Thank you all for the likes and for the jewels, Jonathan. Appreciate it. So here you go, you guys. That's how you do threading. That's how you do the threading. Pretty straightforward threading here. Outbound queue. You got your thread here. You've got your main function. And then boom, you got it. Hey, is John Kidover, candidate congressman? Hey, welcome on in. Thank you for your subscription. Happy to have you here. This is the channel for artificial intelligence, Python, Rust, JavaScript, computer science in general, and networking, cryptography. We could do it all. We could do everything. We can cover all the topics. We could even do day trading, algorithmic trading, right? High frequency trading. Are you going to implement into the game? Kyle, yeah, we actually just did. We added it right here. You're right. Even some other folks were. Let me ask you a question. All right. Deadlock Gaming 6416. What's your question? Jonathan, thank you for another 2 tools. Thank you. This is like a really good compliment. You're giving me a really amazing compliment. I appreciate it. Can you see it or does it not send? I see it. I see the hearts. I see the hearts. I think why array starts with index 0. Oh, why does it start with index 0? It's 0-based index because all based numbers start with 0 and binary has a 0, 1. And so in order to, that's the starting point. That's just where computers start. It's either on or off. 0 is off, 1 is on, based 0. is started with binary, and so we that's just how it ended up. That's just how it ended up. Oh, hey, we got another a happy with 10 joules and another 100 for 2 joules. Jonathan, thank you. They're mine now. You're giving me all your joules. You knew it, Deadlock Gaming. You knew it, really? Is that it? That's the way. That's just the way. That's the reason. It's a legacy that came over. That's not. Oh wait, that's not the right answer, isn't it? That's the way I think it is. So wait, you have 0 based. So you got array with you've got array, right? Array with you could have it be 0, right? Or it could be start with 1, right? So you could have 1 or 0. Where do you want to start? That's just my answer. That's just my guess. I'm totally guessing. Why is it 0? It could be also because of addresses, memory addresses. I'm throwing things out. Hey, Kathy Shee. Welcome in. Thank you for your subscription. All right, Deadlock Gaming. Let's look it up. All right. What's the official recorded answer? That's the official. Why are arrays start with index 0 instead of index 1, for example, right? Which is a lot more understandable from a human, right? Because 0 would feel like there's nothing in there. Why is it 0-based index? Is it something to memory? Okay, let's ask the internet. Thank you another for 2 more joules from Jonathan. Thank you. All right, so Deadlock Gaming. Here we go. Let's do it. Why? Let's see. Why are arrays start with index 0? All right. What do we got here? What does the internet say? Arrays in many programming languages such as C, Python, Java start with index 0, primarily due to their close relationship with memory addressing and pointer arithmetic. Okay, well, I wasn't too far off. Point is like memory addressing. That's like the second thing I said. Maybe it's something to do with memory, right? Memory addresses. So I mean, I didn't think about pointer arithmetic. Although I don't see how pointer maybe I don't know. I guess there's no reason why it still couldn't start at 1 though. Like there's literally no reason why you couldn't just start at 1. I mean, like the compiler could still allow the programmer, the human programmer, to index starting at 1 and could just decrement by 1. It could just decrement by 1, right? It could just decrement by 1. Why does the human have to have that burden? All right. In low-level languages like C, an array name often represents the memory address, of the first element. When you access an element in an array, n is treated as the offset from its starting address. So 0 would be no offset. All right. That makes sense. You still could have it 1-based. You still could. You absolutely could. There's no reason why. There's no reason other than the programmer who built the compiler just decided it to be so. They just decided it to be so. All right, Jonathan, thank you. Another 2 joules and then another 2 joules. Thank you. Thank you for your generous joule giving. I appreciate it. I appreciate generous joule giving. All right, so let's see here. Let's pop this over. All right, we did it, you guys. We added in. All right, let me check my time really quick. Okay. We've got maybe like another good 30 minutes here where we could do some more work. I wanted to also update the music. Let's update the music. So we got let's one thing though I wanted to grab really quick. I wanted to do this. Let's do this really quick. This is a debug. To do remove. Hey, thumbs up for 10 more joules. Jonathan, thank you. Appreciate this. Is a really wonderful compliment. Essentially, it's what you're telling me. A wonderful compliment. All right. Oh, nice. Okay, it's cool. I'm getting what I'm looking for. I'm seeing. All right, let's see. This should keep popping up. All the way up to 100. Shalom Capeta. Wait, is that how you say? Shalom Capeta. Thank you for your subscription. Welcome on in. We're happy to have you here. This is the channel for artificial intelligence, for machine learning, for Python, JavaScript, and Rust. Why did the occupancy pause at 48? Why did it pause at 48? What happened? Why did it pause at 48? I'm actually really curious. Why did it pause at 48? Is there a bug? All right, let's close it. Let's close it real quick. Let's close this. All right, let's reopen it, you guys. It's over 1, 2. 1 second, we got Willie. All right, so it's over 0, 1, or 2, or 2, 1, 0. I have to think about it. Negative numbers, I think. Is it based to do with negative numbers? Hey, Jonathan, thank you for another 10 joules on the thumbs up. All right, cool. It got to 100. So it should in about 10 seconds bop up there to more than 100. More than 100 in about 10 seconds. In about 10 seconds. All right, let's see it. All we have to do is not lose our player here. We got not lose our player. Hey, NFNTP. Hey, NFNTP. What are you doing over there? What are you doing over there on the purple platform? Thank you for your follow. Welcome on in. This is the channel for, right? I don't know if we mentioned that a few times. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, Python, JavaScript, Rust, and different languages, a whole bunch of different languages. All right, we got to not lose here. We got to not lose. The AI is getting really smart. Oh, it's the AI. It's getting really smart, you guys. We got to run away. You got to run. We got to keep it. We got to keep our. So this is the game. It's a keep away game. The AI just, whoa, no, oh, darn it. Okay, it got us. Could you show us like a ghost version of the previous player with PubNub, like in the Elden Ring? That would be really neat, unique. Oh, that would be Kyle. Kyle, that would be really neat. I think we should do that. I think we should absolutely do that. All right, let's see here. Let's close this. All right, how do we do that? So we could transmit the player's coordinates, and then we could also transmit their user ID along with that. So if we transmit the coordinates and the user ID onto a dedicated channel, that would allow us to receive the XY coordinates and draw a ghost. We could draw a ghost figure, right? It would show up on screen and show chaos. It would show all sorts of chaos. Was referring to arrays. Oh, right. Willie, you're right. Okay, so it's 0, 1, 2, or 2, 1, 0. And then the negative numbers. Got it. In terms of arrays, in terms of addressing the elements in the arrays. Got it. Hey, Kyle, that's a great idea. That's a really good idea. It will be chaos, though. It'll absolutely be chaos. It's over the top and not necessarily, but it shows how it works. It is. It's a smidge over top, but you're right. It would be great. We could absolutely do that. All right. So how do we want to go about that? So we could do another one. So instead of just occupancy, we can do player ghosts. Def player ghosts. Here we go. Player ghosts, you guys. And then it'll be the same as this. It'll be exactly the same as this. All right, we're going to do it. We're going to do player ghosts, you guys. We're going to do player ghosts. Let's do player ghosts. Kyle, because you said it, Kyle, we're going to do ghosting now. We'll do ghosting. All right, so let's get rid of that. User ID right here. We're good to go. User ID plain. Time token. We're good here. And then we'll also need we'll have players. So we'll need like an array of existing players. Guess the code language. Python. It's all right. Eddie Legendary. Python. I got you. It's Python. You got it. Let me GD script. Mine's mouth. What's GD script? Like Godot script? Is that Godot script? Is that what you're describing? GD script, is that what that is? I think that's what that is. I'm pretty sure. All right, so here we go. And then we've got our channel. Wait, so let's see. Channel will be ghosts, GHOS, ghosts. All right, we did ghosts. All right, what else do we want here? Let's see here. URL will need to be defined in the while loop. All right, so here's the while loop. Here we go. While loop defined. There we go. Yeah. All right, Kyle. Cool. Excellent. Good to know. Do you want a $200 donation? Jonathan, do not send $200. Don't do it. Do not send $200. No need to do that. Jonathan, you keep the money for people who could like use it. You don't need to send $200. You don't have to do that. We're good to go. We're good over here. Thank you though. Thank you. That's a beautiful suggestion that is not necessary. You do not need to do it. You don't. But thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate that a whole lot. I appreciate it. That's really great. Let's see here. So just go to channel. All right. So channel will be here. Let's do channel. So this will CHANNEL. Perfect. All right. We got the ghost channel, you guys. $400. No, don't do it. Don't send 400. That's double. That's more. That's too much. That's too much. You don't have to do that. There's no need for this amount of donation. There is no need. You do not have to do these things. Don't do it. Nope. Thank you though. Thank you. The thought is all that counts. You do not. Dude, what's your Python whisper? It would take me a day just to think that through step. All right. And here's the deal, Willie. Guess what? Willie, guess what? It's a programming language in general thing. It's every language is basically the same. Once you've learned the base foundation of any language, you can pretty easily get up to speed and remember how all the other languages work. Hey, Quantum Legend, hey, what's up? How's it going, Quantum Legend? We are making a game, and we've made a game where we're going to add ghosting from previous players in the previous game. And that's what we're going to do. 400k joules is what that would look like. It sounds like a lot of joules. After bank, it would be 100 million. That's a lot. Wait, 100 million, 400? Eddie Legendary, that's a lot. That's a lot. Yeah, definitely. We're good. We are good. Thank you though so much for recommending it. Or saying that you might consider it. Though don't do it. Do not do it. Oh, cool. Oh, we got, hey, 2 joules? That's fine. There you go. That's perfectly fine. See, that's like a, hey, thank you. Thank you for streaming and teaching, the Python stuff. That's a good amount. Oh, cool. What is the tech stack? Quantum Legend. This is Python with, check this out. So we've got Pytorch, right? Pytorch and NumPy for the artificial intelligence in the game. We are training a real live neural network while you play the game. That's like the point. While you play the game, you're training a live neural network, and it learns as you play the game. So that's the hard part, and also the unique aspect to this game, which I've never seen any other games do this. This girl you're seeing ghosted me. Oh no, that's terrible. That's terrible when that happens because it's a terrible feeling. Hey, Dennis Geller. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. All right, let's keep on going, you guys. Let's keep on going. So we got our outbound queue. We need our player ghost ghost queue equals queue. There we go. Queues for communication. So this will be the player ghost queue. And then I think what we could do is we just bop this over here, right? So we got our queue there, and we got our player ghost queue. All right, looking good. Quantum Legend is not quantum by quantum, but take it anyways. Welcome. Right? I know, right? It's not quantum quantified. It's a different quantum. Kyle, did you break the AI part in my version? I was going to do another fork without AI, but didn't think it was legit at the time. Already forked it. Hey, you're good to go, Kyle. No changes. Didn't make any changes. Although we're still working off of the base game. And your game is way better. It is. It's just like hands down together, right? So let's look at Kyle's game really quick. Game here. It's a lot better. It's a lot better. Let me turn my screen down here. See, here's Kyle's game. I love it. It's great. And then you've got your player. You move around on the screen. Easy. And it's got all this good music too. No, did I break your AI loop? Nope, no loop broken. No loop broken. See, this is a good game. It's great. And right, as soon as you get close to the screen, it shakes, and then humanity lost. It's over. I'm saying, did I break your AI in game? I don't think so. It looks like it got easier, is what it looked like. It looks like it got easier. But otherwise it didn't look like it broke. It looks like it maintained the actual features and capabilities. It would take a lot, I think, for the AI to like avoid that step, because it's like pretty ingrained into the game. It's pretty like heavily ingrained in the game, you guys. 1 second, just checking the messages here. Looking good. Oh, looks good. All right, we've got time, you guys. We've got time. You made a really good game. Yeah, Eddie Legendary, thank you. I think it was good. Jonathan, I'm going to do 400,000 joules, by the way. That's going to be 900. No, don't do that, Jonathan. Don't do it. That's too much money. You're going the wrong direction there. 2 joules is fine, right? 2 joules, but 400,000 joules? That's a lot. Definitely do that. Don't do that. Do not. No, don't do it. Don't do it. That would be like a really wonderful gesture that I could not reciprocate in any way. I would not be able to reciprocate on that. 10 joules, good. We're good. Floating heart, thank you for the floating heart. I like that, Jonathan. That's good. There we go. Very nice. All right, we're good to go now. All right, we're good to go. All right, so let's see here. Let's add in. So this is our ghosts, and then we need to be able to send. So this is the receive side, player ghost, and then we need to send updates. So let's do this. Def send player chords. All right, we got to send player chords. So this is the ghost channel. Ghost channel. Let's do that. Ghost channel right here. Excellent. Ghost channel. Let's do some player. Let's update. So that we got to keep all the things. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate the little floaty heart icons that show up there. Oh, that's quantified quantum. I see something. This guy. All right. We're doing something right here. We're doing something right. That's good to hear. We're doing something right, you guys. That's great. Thank you. Thank you so much. Where's Torva's music? I know we got to do that too. But Kyle, you're like, hey, we got to add the player. We got to add the player coordinates. We got to add the player ghosting. All right. So let's make sure this is good here. Forza's channel. Boop. Pop that over there. Looking good. All right. We've got our tokens here. And then we need to do something different with this, basically. So that's the TT looking good there. So we got the player. So, okay. So for each, basically we need to do a for let's see here. Let's see body. This will be player, players. Players. It's going to be, we're going to have the ID. We need to construct a dictionary, essentially. We got to construct a dictionary. Discord. Oh, I thought it already existed. It didn't, as far as I know. I have to send $30 in total, so I'm going to send 100 more. Hey, Jonathan, you're sending too much. You know what? Don't send any more. We're good. We're good over here. We're good. You don't need to send any more money. We're plenty fine on the money side. We're good. We're good, Jonathan. But yeah, thank you for the 2 jewels. I appreciate it. Oh, I got another 2 jewels. Oh, are we going to go into a whole bunch of jewels in a row now? Is that what you're going to flood the chat screen? I won't be able to see anything anymore. My goodness. I won't be able to pay attention. All right, so that's it in body. We don't need the occupancy. Thank you for the likes. Oh, wow. Thank you. So that's 20 jewels. Jonathan, thank you for the 20 jewels. You're so wonderful, Jonathan. Thank you so much for doing that. That's like really good. W Jonathan, right? I know, right? Jonathan for the win. Thank you. So, hey, is there a way to talk to you in private message on, yes, Discord. Willie, go to our Discord channel. Have an idea, been wanting to bounce off someone with a lot more experience in programming and artificial interaction. Hey, let's do it. 10 by 100. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. All right. Yeah. So there, Willie, Discord is the way to go. Discord is the channel for that. All right. So let's see here. For message in body 0, we need to add in, we'll add it. Whoa, Jonathan, you're blowing up my screen. Check this out. We're going crazy over here. How do you do that? How do you even do that? Oh, is there like a money button? What is this? What is a money button? What does this look like? Oh, wow. Okay. Jonathan, thank you. Thank you for all the hearts, you guys. And thank you for the jewels, Jonathan. You're so wonderful. You're such a wonderful person for doing that. Like, you're like a really nice. It's really nice. It's really nice. You don't have to do that, but I really appreciate it. So for each of these, we will, put this in here. We'll put it in the out queue right here. We will put it in the message. There we go. Put it in the message queue. There we go. That's it. And then we sleep for 1 millisecond. Sleep for 1 millisecond. I sent 40, I think. You sure did. You sent a lot. That's amazing. Thank you for doing that, Jonathan. That is really wonderful that you did that. I really appreciate it. All right, so player, there we go. So messages. I do believe we need to print that out. We need to receive this on the main thread now. We got to receive this on the main thread. And we got to send the player coordinates, X, Y. There we go. And then let's see if this, we have to put it into a queue. We need the player ghost in queue is what we need next. We need a player ghost in queue. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. I saw those show up there on the screen. Floating around. All right, how much time do we have left? Oh, wow. The time went by really fast. Look at that. So we have 12 minutes left, you guys. How much money is that? Like 100? I don't even know. I don't either. I have not counted. I'll only know after the stream ends. After the stream ends, you guys. Hey, B knows. What's this? We made an AI that can track the player, a live AI, like a real AI, and it's really tracking the player on the screen. Jonathan, thank you. Let him cook. I know, right? Got to let him cook. We only have 12 minutes left here. You guys, actually 11 minutes now, and we got to get going. 20 minutes, right? It's always 20 minutes, Torva. I know, right? Torva started, but Eddie Legendary, you're right. Eddie Legendary. I know we wanted to be 20 minutes. Oh, I do have to get going, though. I do have other activities I got to take care of. So let's see if we can get this going, though. I think we can do pretty good. I think we can make this happen. You guys. All right, so we want the player ghost. This will be another queue. So this will be player ghost send _ queue. All right, so this is the send queue here. So then we do player this, and we do put. Here we go. Dot put XY. Excellent. That's it. Is that all we had to do? Is that all we really had to do? And you know what we could do is we could also just reuse this thread as well. We'll just reuse this thread. We'll reuse that one. At 10 seconds left, sending $200 not gonna stop me. Hey, Jonathan, don't do it. Don't do it, Jonathan. That's too much money. Thank you for the jewels, though. I saw you sent some more jewels. It like flooded my chat screen over here. That's crazy. I know, isn't it? Yo, want to learn some AI stuff, but there's so many things you need to know before coding. You know what? You just jump into it. So we did post, so Beanos, we posted on our Discord channel. Just join into the Discord channel. We posted there. You can grab a link here that gives you a really good starting point. It gives you optical character recognition. It's really easy. And you just copy and paste the code and you're good to go. You just copy and paste the code and off to the races. You should post the Discord link. Yes. All right. Let's do it. All right. I'll give you the Discord link. 1 second. We'll post it in the Discord link, you guys. Here, let's pull that up really quick. All right. Discord link. Grabbing that. Clicking the copy button. Here you go. Discord link. All right. Pasting in. Boom. Discord link. There you go. There's the Discord link. Join in, and there is a channel over here called the Free Resources channel, and it has a whole bunch of things that you could check out. All the things that we talked about in all the previous streams, you guys. All the previous streams. There is a lot of good resources in here. Here it is. So you just scroll up, and you'll see the Keras TensorFlow starting tutorial, which is a really good one. It's a really good one. You go into 250. Oh, man. Don't send it. Don't do it, Jonathan. That's too much. Too much money. You're very wonderful. You're very wonderful. Don't do it though. Don't do it. Send player chords. Put this over here, and then we need to so we need to pass in the other queue. So let's pass in this queue here. We got to pass it in. All right. So Here we go. Up here, player send queue. All right. Player ghost. All right. Dude, chill. I know, right? At 10 seconds. I know it'll be all right. What good in the hood? Oh, hey, Ahmad. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. We're getting our AI going here. Maybe $1,000 will be my record. That's a lot. That's too much. That's too much of the monies. It's way too much of the monies. You don't have to do that. Definitely don't do that. That's like too much. I can't reciprocate. That's the problem. I won't be able to reciprocate. That's like too much. But like a few jewels here and there. Hey, that shows that you're appreciating the stream. I appreciate it. I appreciate you for appreciating it. Thank you. All right, so we got that. Okay, so this will be while true. And then I need to also check where is the queue at. We're going to do this here. I need to pay attention here. All right, so queue out. This will be occupancy thread. Will be here. And then I need to grab this. Here we go. Write this. Just like that. Okay. So in the wild true, so we will need to add a function to send player coordinates, which we got. We got the player coordinates here. And then we will need to post those to the channel. We got to post those to the channel. I'm cooked. Checking my PayPal right now. I'm cooked. Hey, Jonathan, you're good. Don't cook yourself. You're not cook. Dude, stop. I know, right? Jonathan, what? That maybe $1,000. That'll be my record. Hey, Jonathan, that's a lot. You're good. You're good. You're good. You've achieved the goal already. You've achieved the goal of being awesome. You are good. You're good here. All right, so we got to fix this here. So it's not outbound queue, but it is the send queue. We got to grab this and make sure that it's not empty. All right, and then we will grab it. And then while it's not empty, oh, here, I've got a better idea. How about this? While not empty. Perfect. Perfect. All right, so we've got our message here equals this. Player ghost get. All right, perfect. Dot get. Excellent. All right, there we go. Now all we have to do is post that. All we have to do is post it. So URL will be over here. URL will be this on the player ghost channel. And then we're going to publish it. So see here, publish. All right. And then we need the, see here, I need to grab, we need a to do here. We got a to do item. We got a to do item right there. Only 2,000 left from going to go to 1,000 or maybe 900. That's a lot. ASAQ 3,000. Welcome on in. Happy Tuesday. Good to see you. Hello there. Welcome on in. Jonathan should get his own rank in the Discord. He should, right? For the highest donator, the one who's donated all the money. It's a lot of donations there, you guys. All right, how much time do we have left? 6 minutes. We only have 6 minutes left, you guys. We got 6 minutes. We're really close. So we added occupancy. We succeeded in the occupancy. If we start the game, it should still work. I hope. All right, so we're good here. So we're good. So we can see number of players online. Right. So that's it's just me. It's just me, right? So only one player. But then when we release this, you'll see more than one player. That's gamification and user experience terms. You got it. It's gamification. Bro, I can't understand. Oh, wait. Let me know what your question is. What don't you understand? Let me know what you don't understand. Jonathan, almost there? Almost there? Steven, I have a question. What you think will happen if you shoot a hot laser into a focused plasma? If it's hot enough, then you might get fusion, right? You might be able to fuse, right? I think you're talking about fusion, not fission, right? Where we split atoms. I'm talking about like fusion, not fission, fusion, right? Is that what you're talking about? If so, run it into the ghosts work on or no? The ghosts aren't there yet. I know. All right, Torva, 20 minutes. We got 20 minutes. We actually got 5 minutes now. We got 5 minutes to go. We got 5 minutes left. All right, let's see if we can get up here. So click that off. Here we go. All right, so here we go. All right, so this will be publish URL. All right, publish URL. And then I need to grab the key really quick. 1 second. See here. And then I need to grab the key. Where's the key at? Where is this? It's this key right here. 1 second. 1 second right here. I need to grab this key right here. All right. Copy, paste it. Here we go. Copy. Perfect. All right. Willie, so interested about how Python kind of saved your life. Wait, 2 years ago, I broke my back and then an accident. During a recovery, I focused on learning and it helped you get out of a depression. Willie, that's amazing. That's like a wonderful Python scenario. That's like wonderful, isn't it? It's great. Why are we not going to do so that is 1 millisecond. Oh, you mean a fraction of a millisecond? Jonathan, you mean like we could if you want. There you go. There you go, Jonathan. We did a fraction of a millisecond. There you go. I did it just for you. Just for you, Jonathan. Just for you. 1 fraction of a millisecond. 1/10 of a millisecond. Boom. Which is a microsecond, right? We're into the microseconds now, right? So that's like 100 microseconds. 100 microseconds, you guys. SAQs don't need a Jane Street puzzle. All right, I forgot about that. Torva, I forgot. There you go. Why not 0.1 milliseconds? We did it. There you go. 100 microseconds. There you go, Jonathan. 100 microseconds right here on the screen. All right, that's 100 microseconds, which is 0.1 milliseconds, right? That's 0.1 millisecond. All right, so let me see here. Publish URL. All right, so I need to grab the other part of the key so that way we can send data. How do we do that really quick? I want it to be that key there. So let me see if I can search. Here we go. Let me click here. Clicking here, apps and keys. All right, and then there's the search option. Can we search that? No. Okay. Which one is it? Was it Steve? Where was it? I need to find where I put that key at. Not there. Test keys. Is it this one? Maybe it's this one. Maybe it's this one, you guys. I hope it's this one. It is. Here we go. We got it. We found it. All right. Perfect. All right. Here we go. There we go. Boom. Excellent. We got it. We're good to go now. We're good to go. How do you become mode? Is there like politicians? What is that? What are you talking about? Politicians. What's the project? Are you talking about the game that we're making right now? Right. We're making a game where the AI chases you. It learns to chase you. It's artificial intelligence. All right. We got 2 minutes left, you guys. We got 2 minutes. Big integer. Big integer. Oh, wait. Oh, a beginner. I was like, I thought you said big int. Like, I thought that was big integer. No, you're talking about beginner. Okay. Steven, yeah, so you don't think plasma could be pushed at the speed of light if we shoot a laser in plasma? I don't know. I think what we do to get material to go at the speed of light, we use magnets, right? We use magnets like in the Large Hadron Collider. It just uses magnets to accelerate particles. I don't know about lasers, though. I guess technically a laser is already the speed of light, right? So you use a laser to push other particles towards that speed of light. The problem is I think the particles will disperse. I think the particles are, hey, Jonathan, whoa, a whole bunch more joules there. Thank you. They call me Big Boy. Oh, really? Big Boyle? Kyle, really? Big Bool. Oh, Big Boolean. Okay, yeah, Big Boolean. Okay, there you go. There you go. True or false, you guys? True or false? Sent $20. Jonathan, thank you. Thank you. You're the top donor for this stream. That's so wonderful that you did that. Thank you so much. All right, so we hit our time limit, you guys. I really wanted to keep this going, so we got this over here. Let's see, we need and then we've got the XY coordinates. So the message will go message dot. Oh wait, no. See, JSON dot. Wait, how do you do this? DUMPS. All right, there we go, like that. And then we just so I think that's what it is. Dumps here, and then we could say payload. We'll just do payload. I have a good idea. Payload LOAD equals. There we go. Payload equals. Perfect. We got to get going, you guys. We got to get going. We're at the end of the stream here. We're done here. All right. So the UUID, and then we go. Is that it? Like this? I think that might be it. So we got the player goes channel. We got to double check. I got to double check. I see. Here we go. Click in some buttons here. Let me click on the publish. Here we go. All right. So it looks like this. Heavy 0 channel 0 payload. All right. So we did it. I think there is a 0 here though. I think 0. Perfect. Okay. There we go. There we go, you guys. All right. So that will actually send the player coordinates. It'll work. Though we're at the end of stream, so we need to finish next time. We're gonna finish next time. All right, everyone. Whoa! Thank you, everyone, for joining in. We're done. We achieved a pretty good goal here. We did pretty good. Thank you, everyone, for joining in today. We updated our game. So let's take a peek here. Let's take a peek at where we're at now. So we've got our game here. We've got our player coordinates, which will be transmitted. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the likes. It was great to stream with you guys today. We had a lot of fun. So we got our online player occupancy, and then we also added player positions, and then we are able to send those positions, and then we'll have ghosts on the screen. So you'll be able to see other players at the same time. I think it'll be Eddie Legendary. You made it to the end of the stream. You did. Eddie Legendary, thank you. Everyone, today I disassembled a Bluetooth speaker and replaced the battery and made it work. Did you, SAQ3000? That sounds like a really fun project. That sounds like an exciting project. Good job. I'm a Fenton 100. I'm going to do it. Don't do it. We're leaving. We won't see your 200, or we won't see your donation. Jonathan, we're ending stream now. With stream, have a good one. Thank you, Kyle, for joining in. We'll be back tomorrow, you guys. We'll be back tomorrow, and we'll be doing some more. Steven, don't go. I have to go. I've got things to take care of, you guys. I got to go take care of business. I got thanks, by the way. Thank you. It was a lot of fun to have everyone here. Jonathan, Kyle, SAQ3000, Eddie Legendary. Wait, no, I'm doing it. No, I gotta go. We gotta go. 20 minutes. I know, Torva, right? 20 milliseconds. There you go. Hold up. No, I gotta go, Jonathan. Thank you so much for hanging out. I will be back next time. Been fun, everyone. All right, I gotta go. Wait, no, I gotta go, Jonathan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the donations. It's been wonderful. You're the top donator. 20 microseconds. I know, right? Bye, guys. I'm about to do it. Nope, gotta go.